gentlemen, will you please join me to welcome our guest of honor, Madam Halimah Yacob, President of the Republic of Singapore. 各位来宾，我们掌声热烈欢迎我们今天的庆典的主宾，我国总统哈里玛女士。Chinatown, our Mid-Autumn Festival. So this year is really very different from the rest of the years. We are taking you through the time tunnel all the way back to the 50s and 60s. So today will be a very exciting night.
国防部高级政务部长王志豪先生，惹兰乌沙集选区基层组织顾问梁丽丽医生，人民协会助理理事长韩旦娟先生，新加坡旅游局署长陈巧慧女士，慈善理事会总监洪鹤成博士 BBM， 筹委会联合主席白清富先生 BBM， 牛车水公民咨询委员会主席罗海辉先生 BBM， 各位嘉宾、先生们、女士们，大家晚上好。欢迎大家出席今年的牛车水中秋亮灯仪式和开幕典礼。今年的主题是我们的牛车水，我们的中秋节。大约在4个月前，我们就开始和南洋艺术学院的老师和同学们讨论今年的灯饰主题。我们想借着这个主题，把大家带到50和60年。
On stage for a launch ceremony, Mr. Heng Chi Hao, Senior Minister of State. Welcome. Next up, Mr. Philip Loh, BBM, Chairman of Crater Aya Kim Seng CCC. Mr. Pei Cheng Hu, BBM Organizing Committee Co-Chairman. Mr. Han Tan Juan, Assistant Chief Executive, People's Association. We'd like to invite Ms. Serene Tan, Director of Singapore Tourism Board as well. Last but not least, Mr. Bernard Leong, Chairman of Chinatown Business Association. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the moment we've been waiting for, the official launch for this year's Chinatown Mid-Autumn Festival. Alright, we have some cute kids to welcome. Oh, this year will be really special. So for our GOH and VIP, at my signal, may we invite our guest of honor, President Halimah Yacob, Dr. Lily Neo, and our VIPs to light up the lanterns to initiate the street light up. Okay, everybody, are you ready? Yes, okay, fantastic. Starting from my countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Presenting to you, Chinatown Mid-Autumn Festival Opening and Light Up Ceremony 28. Halimah Yacob, Dr. Lily Neo, and our VIPs. Thank you. Thank you. We'd like to invite all our GOH VIPs to your seats to enjoy the show. This way, please. 好，今天我们的牛车水庆中秋，跟我们的主宾。 享我们的烟花，同时再跟掌声热烈鼓励我们的所有的表演者们，谢谢。Once again, I would like to say welcome to guest of honor, Madam Halimah Yacob, President of the Republic of Singapore. Thank you for visiting us tonight. Thank you. 如果来觉得今天的表演很精彩的话，掌声再大声一点好不好？我也是今天的performance. I want to hear your applause. Official opening and medal ceremony 2018. Thank you so much for being here tonight to celebrate the start of the festivities in Chinatown. But do remember, our celebration will take place early.